You just attended the Dallas Education Foundation's Yes and session. Well, what was the big takeaway for you?
To not always look at things in a negative perspective, so always look at the positive about it.
It was awesome, I actually opened my mind to look at stuff differently, have a better mindset and become a better version of myself too.
How did you think the presentation went today?
I thought it went very well. I enjoyed it, and I love the new outlooks that I gained from it.
You were a very impressive young man on that stage. Were you nervous?
Yes, I was nervous, very nervous.
What do you think you'll take away from the philosophy of yes and?
I think this definitely changes my perspective on how I view ideas that I might think that are bad, and I might see like good things in them and be like, okay, well, we can add more to this and make them better.
Probably just the yes and, just to build on, have other like ideas and then build onto your idea. Maybe it could better out your results.
So one of the students from this morning's episode wrote back, and he could not stop talking about how much he enjoyed everything that he learned, how it would help him in the workplace, but that every senior in our school district needs to experience this.
It was very beautiful, very nice, very awesome. It was a good experience.
I just want to thank you for giving me this opportunity to be here with 4-Day Weekend and Dave.
Thank you.
Here, hold this. My work's done.